Good evening, everyone. My name is Khadija Anwar, and we will be continuing with the chapter with the subject business studies. Today, we'll start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is controlling, which is also a managerial function, the last managerial function. So, we will deal with the meanings, definitions, importance, and features of controlling. Meaning of controlling, it involves comparison of actual performance with the planned performance. If there is any difference or deviation, then finding the reasons for such difference and taking corrective measures or action to stop those reasons so that they don't reoccur in future and that organizational objectives are fulfilled efficiently. So this is the meaning of controlling. We can say that because of controlling, planning happens, or because of planning, controlling happens. Because after planning and then organizing your work and then staffing it and then directing it how to do it, then you have to see whether your work is going according to the plan, and that is what controlling is all about. ठीक है, तो जो तुमने प्लान किया है, तुम्हारे प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग तुम्हारा वर्क हो रहा है या नहीं, ये देखना कंट्रोलिंग होता है. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू फिलिप कॉटलर एंड Picky W. Griffin, these are the two definitions of controlling. Controlling is the process of taking steps to bring actual results and desired results close together. Next one is controlling function needs to goal achievement and organization. Without effective control is not likely to reach its goals. ठीक है, सो प्लान इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस. ओके, वट एवर फंक्शंस वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट, ऑल सब में एक ही चीज़ जो सिमिलर, एक चीज़ जो सिमिलर है वो ये है कि all functions of management has a continuous process. ठीक है, now let's go through the features. Number one is managerial function. Yes, controlling is a managerial function, the last managerial function, and we can also say that because of planning, controlling is done, or because of controlling, planning is done. Next, it is a continuous activity. ओके, सो इट गोज़ ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. एक बार कंट्रोल हो गया, तुमको समझ में आ गया कि तुम्हारे अकॉर्डिंग वर्क हुआ है या नहीं, तुम्हारे प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग, and if it is not yet done according to the plan, then you will find out why it is not done and then you will plan again. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक continuous process है. Now controlling is also we can say essence of looking forward. ठीक है, कि कैसे कि आफ्टर फाइंडिंग इट आउट कि तुम्हारा जो काम है वो कंट्रोलिंग प्लानिंग के हिसाब, तुम्हारे प्लान्स के हिसाब से नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, बट इट इज़ लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज तुम फिर फ्यूचर के लिए तुम उस प्लान को रेनोवेट करोगे, उसको एडिट करोगे, ताकि तुम्हारा जो है तुम्हारा जो काम है वो तुम्हारे प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग हो. एसेंस ऑफ कंट्रोल इन एक्शन, both negative and positive. It can be positive, it can be negative. It's a circular movement. It is needed at all levels and it is related to planning. As I already said, it is related to planning. नीडेड एट ऑल लेवल्स, और ऑब्वियसली तुम अगर प्लान सब लेवल के लिए करोगे तो तुमको कंट्रोल भी सारे लेवल्स को करना है. इट इज़ अ सर्क्यूलर मूवमेंट, मतलब कि ये ऊपर से नीचे तक आता है. मैनेजर भी कंट्रोल करता है, देन डायरेक्टर भी कंट्रोल करता है, सुपरवाइजर, लीडर, एंड एवरीवन इज गोइंग टू control. So it's a circular movement and it can be both negative and positive. So कंट्रोल जो तुम कर रहे हो, कहीं ऐसा नहीं हो कि काम होने वाला था बट तुमने रोक लगा दिया कि नहीं मत करो. So it can be negative and it can be positive. ठीक है, now what are the importance of planning, controlling, and we can also say that these are the needs of controlling, why controlling is necessary. It is a basis of controlling. Planning is a basis of controlling. Okay, जब प्लानिंग नहीं करोगे तो कंट्रोलिंग भी नहीं करोगे. सो प्लानिंग एक्ट्स एज अ मेन पार्ट ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग. ओके, अभी हम लोग इसी चैप्टर में नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में ये भी पढ़ेंगे कि प्लानिंग इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग. Okay, and there's a relationship between planning and controlling. It is a continuous process. So what controlling is a continuous process. As long as the organization exists, controlling will be done again and again. Okay, so planning is a basis of controlling, and number two is it is a continuous process. Controlling is a continuous process. As long as the organization exists and as long as there are activities, there is a need to control such activities. Therefore, controlling is a never ending process. ठीक है, मतलब it's a kind of checking your work whether it is being done according to your plans or not. ठीक है, this is what controlling is all about. So these are the two importance of controlling, or we can say needs of controlling, why it is necessary in every organization, why it is necessary to control your work. ठीक है, तुम जब सबको बता चुके हो कि क्या करना है, काम कैसे करना है, तो यू हैव टू चेक कि whether they are following your instructions or not. Okay, so it is important for you to check whether it is going according to the plan or not. And if it is not going to the plan, तो तुम्हारा obviously organizational goals को achieve करने में भी time लगेगा. ठीक है, so if it is not going according to your plan, then you will find out why it is not going, and then you will replan your work. मतलब कि you will plan again. It is a pervasive function, जो कि हम तुमको बताए कि it is needed at all levels. ठीक है, now action oriented process, it is an essence of control. The purpose of control is to take corrective action for improvement of performance. If there is any actual deviation in comparison with the plans, then corrective measures should be taken to bring improvements towards achievements of desired objectives. So it is action oriented. ठीक है, it is not a mental thing. ठीक है, that you are doing it in your mind, or it is not like giving instructions, because you have already given instructions in directing, while directing your work. So now it is all about action, whether the actions of your organization is going according to your plan or not. ठीक है, तो करेक्टिव अगर ऐसा हो रहा है कि कुछ डेविएशन आ रहा है या कोई चेंजेस आ जा रहा है और तुम्हारा काम तुम्हारे प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहा है, देन यू विल चेंज इट. ठीक है, यू विल, हाउ यू विल कंट्रोल इट, यू विल चेंज योर प्लान. इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि दैट योर प्लान शुड बी फ्लेक्सिबल. इफ इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लान, एंड if there is no improvement seen, then to achieve your desired objectives, change the plan, and then make another plan, then organize it, then obviously you'll do the staffing, and then you'll do the directing, and then you will again watch that whether your work is going according to the plans or not. So this is number 3, that is pervasive function. Then we have number 4, that is action oriented process. Okay, I'm reading pervasive function once. Controlling is exercised at all levels of management and is done in every functional area and in every department. Okay, now number 5 is future oriented. Controlling is futuristic in nature. It measures current performance and provides guidelines for the corrective action which will going to happen in future. ठीक है, this ensures future performance as per plan so that some mistakes should not be repeated in future. The sixth one is end function. Controlling is an end function which comes once the performance is made in accordance to the plan. If all the desired objectives are achieved as per the planned activities, then the control functions bring an end to the task assigned. Okay, number 7, tools management. To control activities, management may adopt various control techniques or tools. Students, controlling techniques or methods of control I will not be covering this topic, क्योंकि ये topic तुम लोग already पढ़ोगे. तो ये इसमें जो tools आता है, there are various tools to look after, there are various techniques to look after your controlling. Okay, so these are the tools which is used in management, and you can adopt these tools, you can adopt these methods to check whether your work is going according to the plan or not. And if it is not going, then you will recheck it and you will replan your work. ठीक है, तो it is future oriented because it provides guidelines for the corrective action, ताकि आगे में वो गलती नहीं हो जो अभी हो रहा है. इट इज़ एन एंड फंक्शन, क्योंकि कंट्रोलिंग ही मैनेजमेंट का लास्ट फंक्शन है, तो दिस इज एन एंड फंक्शन जो कि तुम ये देखते हो कि अगर लास्ट तक भी तुम्हारा डिजायर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अचीव नहीं हो पाया है, देन व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल check it and you will replan it. इसीलिए it is important to control your work. Now, delegation of authority. Control action can be taken only by managers who are responsible for performance and have the authority to get things done. A manager gets authority through delegation. Okay, so delegation of authority means every superior is delegated for their authority. तो every हर सेक्टर में जो मैनेजर होता है या सुपीरियर होता है वो ही कंट्रोल कर सकता है, क्योंकि प्लान उसको पता है। ठीक है, सबऑर्डिनेट्स डिडंट नो कि प्लान क्या है, सबऑर्डिनेट्स सिर्फ काम कर रहे हैं। वर्कर्स एंड एम्प्लॉयज आर ओनली डूइंग देयर वर्क. The managers will check whether they are doing their work according to the plan or not, and if it is not according to the plan, you will reload your plan, you will renovate your plan. Number 9 is creativity. Managers should adopt new and modern controlling techniques for the achievement of objectives. They have to be creative and innovative in their thinking. Acts as a guide. Control system guides the actions of the organization activities and are undertaken in the right direction. It acts as a traffic signal post and keeps the activities moving on the right track. Okay, if it is not moving on the right track, a manager can show a red sign that you should stop your work because it is not going according to the plan, and then he will change the plan. ठीक है, तो मैनेजर शुड बी क्रिएटिव इनफ, क्योंकि उसको चेंज करना है तो उसको इनोवेटिव होना चाहिए एज पर इन हिज थिंकिंग. ठीक है, सो दैट जो नया प्लान वो बनाए वो इफेक्टिव हो. ठीक है, एंड उससे ज़्यादा तुम्हारा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है वो अचीव हो पा रहा है. ओके, सो इट ऑल्सो नीड्स द डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी. इट should one should be creative and it acts as a guide. Now students, abhi controlling se we have studied the importance and the features and meanings and definitions. Now we'll continue with some of the important questions. Number 1 is types of channel of distribution and their function. Number 2 is what is communication, explain its barrier. Then what is motivation, hierarchy theory and objectives. Then training, advantages of training, importance of training and objectives of training. Then what do you mean by selection and its process. Then what do you mean by leadership, explain the features of leadership, and what are the qualities of a good leader. Okay, so these are the 6 questions in this picture given. Solve these questions. And one more thing कि ये जो important questions I am sharing with you people, these questions are very 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 important. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आ जाओ. लीडरशिप हम लोग पिछले फोटो में भी देख चुके थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी, व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दैट इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी 1991. देन what do you mean by liberalization, privatization and globalization. You also have to explain the features of these three. ठीक है, उसके बाद आ जाओ what do you mean by financial management, what are the objectives of financial management and what are the importance of financial management. Next, what do you mean by financial market, what do you mean by capital market, what do you mean by money market. Then you have what do you mean by scientific management, explain its features, explain its techniques and explain its principles. तो वी मेक श्योर कि जितना भी क्वेश्चंस हम लोग तुम लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं, these questions will be covering the major topics of all the chapters of BST, Business Studies. ठीक है, so that's all for today. Solve these questions and if you have any sort of doubt, please comment below. Controlling se bhi we have completed the meanings, definitions, features and importance. I will try to explain needs and importance in another video also, so that थोड़ा और clear हो जाए. ठीक है, so that's all for today. I hope I'm clear to all of you. Take care. Stay home and thank you.